Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to cite a YouTube video in Grammarly. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in grammarly.com/citations and click on enter. After that, you will see free citation generator page of Grammarly. Here, you can select the citation style. On the APA style, you will see uploader's last name, first initial, username if it is different from real name, and year, month, day, and the title of the video and the video URL. On the MLA style, you will find title of the video first and uploaded by the user's name and date of the upload and the URL. On the Chicago style, you will find uploader's last name, first name, title of the video, YouTube video, length of the video, and date of the upload and the URL. Select the style you want and click on the search drop-down menu. Here, click on online video. You can also select between full citation and in-text citation, and you can also add the contributor here. If you do not want to add it, simply click on this cross button. Now type the channel name here. After that, select the publishing date by clicking on this box. Now type the title of the video. After that, type the website name and type the URL of the video here. After that, click on copy citation button here. And that is how you can cite a YouTube video in Grammarly. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.